Well, I don't know about your POV, but my POV right now is the most beautiful. Presenting to you Point of View, codename Maplewoods by Proviso and Galaxy. This is not just any residence, but an art of living elevated to new heights. जहाँ आपके लेफ्ट में आपको मिल जाता है पार्सक हिल एंड राइट में थाने क्रीक एंड आपके घर से आपको मिलता है सी व्यू ऑफ पाम बीच. Connectivity here is unparalleled. It is well connected to all the tunnels, metro lines and upcoming infrastructure in no time and effortlessly. It is also connected to the IT hubs like Accenture, Reliance and Capgemini. इसके अलावा connection की बात करें तो दिगागांव railway station is just 1 minute away and Thane railway station is just 5 minutes away. So you can figure out कि ये Airoli के mid space में आपको project मिलता है. Eastern Expressway is just 5 minutes away. Upcoming Navi Mumbai International Airport is just 30 minutes away and upcoming Kharghar tunnel is just 15 to 20 minutes away above. And apart from this, schools, colleges and hospitals, सब renowned entities यहाँ से 5 to 10 minutes away हैं. Schools like Vipcure and St. Xavier's, hospitals like Sanjeevani, Kokilaben and D-Mart, Inorbit, Ragulila, ये सब आपके radius के अंदर आपको मिल जाएगा. So now let's move on to the project. Adorned with vibrant flower bed and stunning spectacle visuals to watch, this project is spread across 5 acres of land and out of which 1.5 acres is for your amenity space of about 18,000 square feet. 3 phases already launched and 2 phases are successfully sold. The third phase has A and B towers जिसमें आपको मिल जाता है G+38 story की building with 5 levels of podium parking and 5th level पे आपको मिल जाता है आपका amenities space and also the flats are Vastu compliant. So now I'll be walking you through the amenities. So let's go. With an array of 40 plus amenities, the landscape is designed meticulously and इसी के साथ you get breathtaking views and sun-kissed sanctuaries where you can sit with your family and friends and create memories. उसी के साथ आपको मिल जाता है an indoor gym with an electrifying atmosphere, banquet halls and multi-purpose halls. इसी के साथ we get Maiwaki forest and butterfly ground at the podium level. So this was about amenities. Now let's move on to the sample flat. This is the entrance for your 2 BHK and यहाँ पर जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं आपका भी नेम प्लेट यहाँ लग सकता है. Coming on to the sample flat for 2 BHK apartment and the carpet area for this apartment is 630 square feet. This is your living space as you can see. यहाँ पर आप अपना couch decorate कर सकते हैं. Right in front you have the wall unit space and the center table and इसी के सामने you get the dining space for 4-seater. यहाँ पर आराम से आ सकता है with a full length window. And moving on to the kitchen area, this is our double platform kitchen. यहाँ पर आपके पास enough space है for your compartments and French windows for ventilation. Moving on to our common washroom जो कि उसके एकदम सामने है opposite में and as you can see this common washroom is very ultra spacious, बहुत wide बना है. You can actually utilize the space for your bathtub also. उसी के साथ में है हमारा kids bedroom as you can see or you can call it as your guest bedroom but your kids would love to have an ambience like this. Full length windows यहाँ भी आपको मिल जाती है and apart from that the space for wardrobe. So moving on, इसी के बाजू में है हमारा मास्टर बेडरूम. मास्टर बेडरूम इज अल्ट्रा स्पेशियस विद फुल लेंथ विंडोज एंड डू यू नो व्हाई इज इट सो स्पेशियस? बिकॉज यू गेट अ स्पेस apart from your bedroom space for your wardrobe, the inner space for your wardrobe with an attached washroom, branded fittings, good tilings, सब कुछ मिलेगा and windows for ventilation. So the pricing for 2 BHK is starting from 1.30 crore plus taxes and the pricing for 3 BHK is starting from 1.72 crore plus taxes. I hope and I wish कि मैं आपको पूरी साइट बता सकती but I can still show you on the site visit. So booking purpose के लिए आज ही हमें contact कीजिए on the given details below.